Toronto and Peel's top doctors could not have been more clear this week. They want the province to extend stay-at-home orders in their regions for at least another 2 weeks. Still, the Ford government needs more time to make the final decision. Outraged by their handling of the pandemic in anticipation of a third wave, the NDP today calling for a public inquiry to be held immediately following the crisis. With major concerns that COVID-19 variants could lead to a brutal third wave, opposition leaders slammed the Ford government today for not immediately listening to requests to extend stay-at-home orders in Toronto and Peel.
Why is the government ignoring the experts, ignoring the facts? Why is the Premier prepared to yet again have people get sick, have another lockdown, overwhelm our hospitals instead of doing the right thing and slowing down the reopening?
This week, Toronto's medical officer of health said she has never been more concerned about virus spread than she is now. Peel's medical officer of health echoing the sentiments. But stay-at-home orders are set to expire in Toronto and Peel on Monday. It is down to the wire, but the health minister says more time is needed before making a decision on pausing reopening.
We want to make decisions based on the evidence and the data. I know that Dr. DeVille and Dr. Lowe are very concerned.
Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health will review data tonight before making his recommendation to Cabinet for approval tomorrow.
I can understand her level of concern. DeVille's concentration is Toronto. Mine is Ontario-wide.
The Premier was asked if he'll support a lockdown extension while touring a construction site in the GTA today.
I've always supported local medical officers of health. We have to keep our guard up constantly.
He says he wouldn't hesitate to use the emergency brake to move regions back into lockdown if cases spike. But the government hasn't released details about when they would actually apply the brake.
That's incredible. I'm sure that's made public officers of health across this province, not just in Toronto and Peel, nervous.
Meantime, the province celebrating a milestone today. Ontario has now administered more than 500,000 vaccine doses and fully inoculated more than 200,000 people in the province with both doses, calling it a major win given ongoing supply issues.
Notwithstanding that, we've already administered over 500,000 vaccine shots.
Now, while both Toronto and Peel have requested an extended lockdown, York Region has requested the opposite, asking the province to move into the red zone where salons, gyms and indoor dining at restaurants can reopen. Their stay-at-home orders expire Monday as well. A decision is expected to be made public for all three regions tomorrow.